Today we have a new participant from Afghanistan, and he's Mr. Abdul Wahab Wise. Abdul, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
How did you find me? I mean, you are from another country. How did you find my page or my YouTube channel?
Actually, I saw your announcements in the social media, especially in the Facebook. So I went for any course which will be online to boosting my speaking. So I was looking for because of that. I just requested to you to join a class. Yeah, because of that.
Abdul,
Can you hear me, sir?
yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What did
I
you?
just said, yeah, I just said that I will make it later. Just give me a minute, some minutes. Yeah, I
All
guess.
right, but have you understood the meaning of dead and buried?
Yeah. It means something will not happen.
Will not
Or
happen because that
something.
will not be allowed or
Yeah,
will not be
yeah,
approved.